Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AL-CADD, the learning solution. Today I'm going to discuss about some important shortcut keys of a command. So see here we used to take the direct object like line, polyline, circle, copy, those things. So without this, if you wanted to take the command and you wanted to work on that, so I'll just tell you some basic command for that. So see, first command is that zooming the page. So for zooming the page, Z enter is a shortcut command. See, Z enter is nothing but zoom. I'll just enter zoom, and A enter stands for all. Zoom all. Now see, the page will get zoom. So likewise, so another command for units, there is a unit command, that is UN. UN enter. See, here you can see this option called UN unit. So enter. If you enter this, so you'll be finding the pop-up of drawing units. Here you can change this drawing unit as per the requirement of a drawing. Okay, so just click OK. Now another command for unit setting is, that is dimension style. See, after setting in UN, that is units, so whatever you are setting here, so same thing you have to set in the dimension style manager. So dimension style manager shortcut command is D enter. D enter. See, if I'll enter D enter, now we'll be finding the dimension style manager. Either you can create a new dimension center, or you can just click on a modify and you can make in the existing one only, that is in IS 425 standard annotative, like that. So here you can change whatever the units you have set, that same unit you can set here as well. Like say, I'll just, instead of comma, I'll take the period and click OK. After that you have to click set current and close. So this is the shortcut command for dimension style manager. So there is a shortcut command for the limits, that is LIM. If I'll enter limits, LIMI limits, now you can set the limit. Limit is nothing but setting the page like A3 size, A1 metric or A4 metric, the size you can maintain for that. So for that we are going to use the limits option. Okay, so now let it be, we have another commands like drawing tools. So drawing tool commands, we have lines. Line shortcut command is L enter. See, if you'll enter L, so shortcut command for the line is L enter. Now see, the line will get appear. Very easily the line you can draw. So next command is polyline. Polyline shortcut command is PL. See, polyline stands for PL. Then you can click OK. Then just draw the polyline. How we are going to draw by using the line. Same concept, you can draw the line polyline as well. So you know the difference between line and polyline. Line is individually selected, and this is a single connected sequence of a line. But here same thing we have polyline. Polyline is a connected sequence of the line. That is means if you select, now complete the line will get selected at once. So this is a shortcut command for polyline, that is PL enter. Now you can draw the polyline easily. Next we have a circle. See, circle, we have types of circle. If I enter circle means C enter. See, if I enter C enter, now is asking the point, specify the center point for the circle. See, whatever the circle point here we have taken, we are going to take. If you enter C enter, every circle shows here in one shortcut command itself. That is, see, 3 point, 2 point, tangent, radius, everything will show there. As per the requirement, you can just take that and you can draw the circle there. So next we have an arc. See, arc, if I'll take ARC, if I'll click on ARC, now C is asking center radius, center of an arc. That kind of arc is asking. Now you can draw the start, end, and angle. So you can take the angle, chord length, what direction you required, where you wanted to place the arc, you can take by using the ARC. See, rectangle shortcut command is there. Rectangle shortcut command is REC. REC stands for rectangle. See, if I'll click on rectangle, very easily the rectangle you can draw. See, if I'll use this REC, now again, if you want exact dimension for the rectangle, you can click on dimension. See, if you taken in the rectangle dimension, either you can just enter D or you can just take on directly dimension. If I'll click on dimension, now you can easily enter the dimension, whatever the dimension you require. Now see, length I'll enter 25, width I'll enter 30. Now see, as per the dimension, so the rectangle will be drawn. So next we have a polygon. Polygon stands for POL. See, POL is a shortcut command for polygon. If you take polygon, now it's asking the number of side. Now I'll enter number of side as 6. You can take as per the requirement how much you require the side. You can just take. If you click, now it's asking inscript or circumscript. Inscript circle is taken from the midpoint to edge of the object. The radius will take from this midpoint to edge of the object. Circumscript will take for the midpoint of the object to midpoint of the length of the polygon. So there is another option that is called ellipse. See, ellipse we have three types: center ellipse, axis end, and elliptical arc. So now ellipse, if I'll take E double L stands for ellipse. If I'll click on this, so even here also showing two types of ellipse. See, you can take arc, either you can take center. See, whatever ellipse you have, even you can take arc or you can take center. In center you can take both the thing. That ellipse you can draw. See, if I click on that ellipse, the length will take and the width of the ellipse we can just enter. So next we have this option called for hatching. Hatching stands for H enter. Now see, if I enter H enter, now you can just select the pattern for the hatching, which hatching you require. Then after that you can just assign. If you assign this, so make sure that the scaling hatching is very large here. So if you wanted to reduce, you can reduce the scaling for this. See, if I'm reducing the scale by using holding this, you can reduce, or directly you can select, you can just enter the scaling scale. Now see, the scaling scale will shows here. So next there is a command for this draw table, that is spline. Spline is nothing but a curved lines. If you want, you can take. See, SPL stand for spline line. I'll take this one and you can draw the spline line. See, like this you can draw. And next we have this option called the construction line. Construction line is nothing but it's an infinity line. So infinity line can be drawn for the making the plans elevation section. For that there is a shortcut command for the infinity line, that is XL. XL stand for the construction line. Enter. Now you can take horizontal, vertical, bisect, offset, like that. See, if I take horizontal, now it's taking completely horizontal. If I take vertical, completely will take vertical. Angle means the angle, you can just take the angle. The line will come in that particular angle itself. Bisect and offset. Offset is nothing but, see, from here to here, what offset you want, you can just enter the offset. So then you can click. Now see, I have taken some offset. Till that, whatever the offset you have taken, till that only the line will be copied. So there is a command called ray command. Ray is used to create an interior designing. So ray command, if I'm going to take, now I can just click the point where you wanted the point for that. See, I'll just take the point and I'm just considering these points. So this is called ray command. Okay, so next we have this option called divide. Divide is nothing but, example, see, if you have an object, suppose let it be the line length of 10 I'm going to take. Now if you wanted to divide this line into 6 or 7 parts, then you can take the divide from the draw tool. So instead of taking from here, directly shortcut command you can use, that is div. Div is a shortcut command for the divide. If I'll click on this, now it's asking to select the object. Now simply you can select the object and enter the number of segment how much you wanted to divide. Now I'll enter 8. If I'll enter 8, now see the points, 8 point has been divided from that, but the point is not showing. If you want, you can just show this point style. You can click on the point, whichever the point you require. Now see, the point will shows. So there is another object for that measurement. So that is called measure. Measure is shortcut command is MEAS. Measure. If I'm going to take, you can click on this. So just simply select on the line and enter the length segment from this point to how much length you wanted to take. So based on that, the line will get taken from this point. So that is called as a measure. So another important shortcut commands for this as move, copy, start. See, move stands for M, enter. M, enter. You can just select enter and you can just move the option. So copy stands for CO. CO is a copy. Now just select this same object. If you want, you can take the copy. Okay. So stretch stands for STR. STR. Just select this line and you can enter and you can stretch. Okay. So next rotate stands for RO. RO, enter, click the line and enter this point and you can rotate whichever the angle you wanted to rotate. So mirror. Mirror stands for MI. Enter. Now so same object, if you wanted to mirror, then you can click on this and you can draw this. So object will get mirror. So scale. Scale stands for SC. SC, you can enter this SC. Then scale is nothing but to increase and decrease of an object. If you increase and you can decrease also. Okay, so next we have this trim. Trim stands for TR, enter. Now you can trim the unwanted lines for that trim. Extend, we have extend stands for EX, enter. Now you can extend the line for this. Suppose if you have a line, example, let me take one line from this. So if I'll take extend EX, enter. Now the line will get extend till this. So next fillet. Fillet stands for F, enter. Fillet, enter. Now you can take the radius. Now suppose I'm just going to take the radius of 6 and you can just take the line, horizontal and vertical line. See, the 6 radius is very large. I'll just take this one as in 0.6. If I'll click on this, now I can see this one here. Okay, so next we have this option called as in chamfer. CHA is a chamfer shortcut command. So if I am going to take this line for the chamfer, so chamfer distance I'm going to take, that is 0.1 I'm going to take chamfer 1. Chamfer 2 is 0.2 I'm going to take. Now if you measure the horizontal and vertical, then chamfer will get taken from this point. And next we have blend curves. See, blend curves, if I'm going to take for the blend curves, BLEND. So directly we have to take blend. So I'm going to join this line and this line. Now see the blend curves, but the help of this, it will get joined. Array shortcut command stands for ARR AY array. So it's showing this array, rectangle array, polar array, path array. So you can whichever you want, you can just take from this ARR AY array. Okay. So next arrays shortcut command is E enter. If I'll take this E enter, CE enter. Now you can just select and you can enter. Now erase. Explode. Explode is nothing but if you wanted to make this object as an explode. So this is in rectangle polyline. So if you want to break this lines, then explode you can take. Explode shortcut command is X enter. X enter, enter, then select the object and explode. Now see, this is no more in a polyline now. So the points has been exploded. Okay, so next object we have an offset. Offset shortcut command is OF. OF is a shortcut command for offset. See, OF, enter. Sorry, fine. See now, OF, enter. Now you can enter the value of offset, or you can randomly can select and you can take an offset. Or else if you are taking the offset value, exact value itself, now you can just take this offset. Suppose example 3.5 I'm going to take. So here from the distance from this point of here, if I take, now say 3.5 the length will take for the offset. Okay, whatever you want, you can just take this offset value. See now, even for this also you can just take the offset. Okay, so hope you understood this modify tools and the draw tools, some of the basic important tools. So still more we have this shortcut command for some other tools. So I'll be continuing the next class. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you so much for watching.